Hi everybody! Hello! So this is Mia Song Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna unbox the shoes that I bought in SM Bacolod. So let's unbox with me and let's get started. I'm back. I'm so excited for what I have. And okay, first is I bought this one because I have sneaker shoes. It's also from one of my follower that I mentioned that almost of my stuff is from him. So thank you so much. I have this outfit is for my workout outfit, and of course I have a sneaker shoes from Amazon last time that I also unboxed, and it's just matching for this suit. So I bought this one. It's long long pants, long pajama. So this one is 699 at SM, but this is not a sponsored video. 900, no wait, 669. So that's the price, and this one is 899. So I have pictures for this. I'm gonna screenshot also. Later on, I'm going to salon, so don't mind my nails. So 899 for this upper suit, and then later on I can wear this one for my driving videos. And next, we're gonna unbox first the most exciting part of my driving videos is the shoes. I have three pairs of these shoes, so I have to pick up the other one. But first, I'm gonna show you what I have for now. So this one is Rusty Lopez. So let's unbox. So I know you're excited, but I'm gonna also fit this on one of these shoes. I'm gonna wear it going to salon later. Ah, my god. I have already pictures for this, but I'm gonna show more later. So this price is marked down. So 1,499. If you can see it, I will wait sa. Okay, 1,499 marked down to 1,199 only at SM. So I have two of these shoes, and I'm gonna show you the fitting for that and the walk for the shoes. And next is the same brand, so Rusty Lopez. So here we are. I'm gonna show you first. I have to cover. So here's the box, and it's gonna open it together. The exciting part of my driving videos. So here it is, and this is black, and it's really nice. So I think I'm gonna match this one for what I'm wearing now, black, because I have to unbox one more thing later. So I will just follow up the other shoes. So this is what I have now. So I'm gonna show you, this is the shoes, and the price is the same as what I have now. So it's also marked down to 1,100. So if you want to support my shoes, driving shoes, just send me a message to my course vlog Facebook page, or else message me to my Gmail account for more support. And if you want to help furthermore for my financial, for gas, for my driving, I also have PayPal account in my description down below. So you just send any amount for help, or else click the thanks, super thanks there in the subscribe button next to it. And this is the shoes from my sponsor. So thank you so much to my sponsor who are very devoted to my vlog. So here it is. And also we're gonna show you another shoes, but before that I'm gonna show you what I have here, and this is my gift for myself. But all of this is from my hard work. The next part, that which is my favorite part of this vlog is, guess what is it? It's guess, and this is a surprise. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. Let's gonna unbox together. Let's unbox. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna unbox here in the chair. This is a new chair. Just kidding. Yeah, this is new. It's together, all of this shopping and with this one, shoes. Still have one more. Oh my gosh, I still have the tag. I did not use yet because I'm waiting the time that I can unbox it so that I can show you guys that I'm gonna use this one for my driving vlog all the time when I go out, when I go to mall, when I go shopping. So the price of this one is 5,498. So wait, my gosh, my nails. I have to, because later on I'm going to salon later. So this price is 5,498 pesos. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear this one. But I will cut the tag later on. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So let's open this one. The reason I bought this one because then I can put my cell phone safety here. Safety. There's more compartment inside. And the thing is, the space is really good. Like this one, I can put my wallet here, and in this area, in this side, I can put my cell phone because I have 3 cell phone when I go out for vlogging. And this one is for my cell phone, this one for my wallet and cell phone, and there's more. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus, you can still put some cash here or anything important things that you want to add, so I can also put here. So that's what I love for this bag. And this is from Guess Best 1981. So this is my new purse this time, and just hold on, I'm gonna show you one more shoes. Oh, hi again everyone, I'm back. So this is the 3rd box of shoes that I bought in SM Mall. And well, anyway, for my size of shoes, you can choose 35.5. That's my size. Or else 36 if you cannot find 35.5, then 36. So, my gosh. Wait, I have to put back again. So this is the shoes and we're gonna unbox together. Pak ganun. Well, this is from GB. So this is the looks, and this is size 35. The other one I have 36 Filipino size. So this one I don't have the price anymore, but the price of these shoes is 1,899, something like that. But I also have some pictures of all of my shoes. I'm gonna make pictures and also I'm gonna upload it together with my foot test. Well, so far that's all we have, and hi. Well, I'm so loving it, everything. So I'm gonna try it on so that you can see my gaming chair, how it looks like. But my space here is small for now, so I have my ring light here, so this is too much light, so let's move away. So this is it, everyone. So thank you all for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe, like, and also don't forget, if you want to watch a shorter video, click the join button level 2 next to my subscribe button, and level 3 for a longer videos. Then for that channel, for that membership, it's all directly, there's no intro, there's no outro for that. It's just driving videos with the view and the videos review. So for sure you're gonna love it, and see you next vlog. Bye!
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.